getting ready to go and try out Pat's Philly cheesesteak. And right after that, we're going to go to Geno's, which is right across the street from it. And we're going to let you know what we think, right?
Yeah, we'll let you know which one. We're going to do a very classic cheese whiz with onions. So, the way it's supposed to be.
There you go. Cheese whiz with onions. And here's Pat's.
Where we're allowed I started to call you Robo.
It's just the way.
That's it, Douglas.
Flying high, reaching further through the sky. Clouds are going to bright new day. Just follow me, we're on our way.
One cheese fries, one regular fries.
We're flying high, reaching further through the
Super quick here.
The sun's up and shining so just take my hand and off we go. Everything is wonderful. Everything is wonderful. Everything is wonderful.
Alright, thank you, sir.
We're flying high, reaching further through the sky. Close your eyes and count to 3. Take a leap now, you and me. All the way stands before us. Open arms stretched out wide. You and I venture onward. Nothing's gonna hold us back when we're side by side. Oh, everything is wonderful.
Come on, open it up. Come on, come on. Cold.
Oh no.
How's that?
Do we have a
Let me
knife?
see.
No.
Let me see.
Maybe it's gonna break it.
Alright.
Check it out. Take it off the top.
There you go.
Is it good?
Yeah? Take it.
It sure didn't. Especially if you get
Yeah? Let me see.
Oh my god.
Ain't bad, huh? You liking it? How are the fries? Average fries?
I got the cheese fries.
Chili fish steak. Philly cheesesteak was good.
I like it.
Yeah, good bread and everything.
I think it's pretty good. It is very juicy. Like all that was coming out as we were taking bites. I think the cheese is really good too. That cheese whiz is definitely a good call.
Well, let's see what Geno says. We're gonna get on that line soon, okay? How long was that line we just sat in? 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
About 20-minute line.
And it's a little difficult to find a seat. So you gotta be really prepared for that.
All right.
I want to take another bite of that though. That's good.
We'll see you all at Geno's.
Should come along. Whoa, whoa, we just have fun. Whoa, whoa, we just have fun. We want it, we got it. Our colors shine bright. Our season to party all day and all night. That feeling, that magic, we're in the mood to play. So come on and join us. We'll live it up today. Everybody throw your hands up. We're dancing in the sun. Gonna keep that party moving all night long. Oh, oh, oh. We just have fun. Oh, oh, oh. We just have fun.
So now we're at Geno's, and the customer service is so much better. Like there's so much friendlier here.
Yeah.
The fries, you just taste the normal fries, and it actually tastes better.
Yeah.
They're like addicting, and they're like so tiny.
They're very good, very crunchy, soft inside. The other ones kind of tasted like they were from a bag and just were fried. The cheesesteak over there was good, but the service wasn't as nice, you know.
So let's try two.
Exactly the same, and now we're gonna give these a try.
So you have here cheesesteaks with whisk cheese and onions.
The exact same order we had at Pat's.
Exactly the same thing. Can you open that up?
That's what the inside looks like. Looks very juicy.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh yeah. I want to try it.
All right.
I feel like the other patch has more flavor. Yeah.
I think Pat's are better. These are good, but Pat's had a lot more cheese, which added more flavor. These are juicy, not as flavorful. They're not bad.
All right. Well, let me be the judge of that. Okay. There you go. Hold that right there.
What do you think?
I like this one better.
Really?
Yeah. I do.
This one's definitely not as messy as the
I
other
think the
one.
bread makes a difference.
Yeah, the bread. This bread is better.
Yeah. I think the bread is better and it makes a big difference.
I do like.
The cheese is right here.
Oh.
So let's try that again.
Now that we've located the cheese. Is it better with the cheese? Still the same for me.
Okay. All right. So, which one? Pat's or Geno's? Geno's, okay. Jasmine. Pats or Geno's?
For cheesesteak alone, Pats. For overall, you know, everything else, Geno's.
No, choose one.
No.
Yes, you have to choose. People are depending on your opinion here.
Just for the cheesesteak or for like overall
The
experience?
cheesesteak.
Oh, Pats for cheesesteak.
Okay. I'm saying Geno's. Better.
I can taste the onions.
The cheesesteak, the fries, and the experience to me was Geno's.